Hi everybody, welcome back to another session of Green Trades. This is Omkar Naik this side and I welcome you all for the upcoming analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं Nifty is really moving wildly, तो एक डायरेक्शन प्रेडिक्ट करना या एनालाइज करके ट्रेड करना has been pretty tough or difficult for few of the traders. So I would like to share this with everybody that these are the analysis that are made by me. But whenever you take a trade, the risk will be entirely yours, the reward is going to be entirely yours. So this is just a small disclaimer that we as Green Trades are not responsible for either your profits nor your losses. This video is for educational purpose to improve your visibility on the market and give you a proper analysis on how the market is behaving. So to start with Nifty, I have come on an hourly chart of Nifty. तो हम लोग देखेंगे निफ्टी कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है. ओके, सो इफ यू सी निफ्टी इज एट द मोमेंट इन काइंड ऑफ बुलिश टू साइडवेज ट्रेजेक्टरी. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, लेट मी शो यू, निफ्टी फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट हैज फॉलन डाउन. ओके, बट there is no proper trend of sideways to bearishness, neither a proper trend to sideways to bullishness. अगर मैं यहाँ से देखूँ एक बुलिश मूव हो रहा है which is from here, okay, something like this. Now when you see this you get a broader idea of how Nifty is behaving. यहाँ पर ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन हम लोग बाद में बात करेंगे. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 1, ओके, and this is point number 2. So we can say that there is kind of double bottom that the bank nifty that the Nifty has created and moved upside. The second point is, अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, this was a point of resistance for the market. This too was a point of resistance for the market. तो जब भी if somebody who knows the concepts of support and resistance, they know that once support is broken, it would turn out to be a resistance, and if resistance is broken, it would turn out to be a support. Okay, so यहाँ पर जब ये resistance market ने break किया, okay, here it was not able to break it, but with gap up it broke this particular resistance, और जब यहाँ पर retest हुआ, see how beautiful move on the upside market is given. So somebody who would have known the concept and psychology of support and resistance, he would have definitely gone long at this point, okay, when there was a dip in the market with a small stop loss, and right now would have been in the profitable trade. Secondly, as I said, यहाँ पर जो resistance था वो ये कैंडल पे ब्रेक हुआ है. If you see, this candle has broken this particular move. Okay, ये जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो ये कैंडल ने ब्रेक किया है. सो वंस दिस इज ब्रोकन, मार्केट हैज कम बैक नियर द लेवल्स एंड ट्राई टू पुश इटसेल्फ बैक. तो ये यहाँ पर सपोर्ट का काम करना ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर चुका है. सो इन केस इफ इट कम्स बैक, यू कैन ट्राई टू टेक अ स्मॉल ट्रेड ऑफ बाय, which is buying at dips we call in an uptrend at 17,780 levels with a small stop loss of 17,750 or 17,740 levels. तो यहाँ पर अगर आप एक रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड के हिसाब से काम करने के लिए ट्राई करोगे, तो आई वुड गो विथ एन एंट्री समवेयर एट दिस लेवल्स, ओके, 17,780 ऑड लेवल्स, और मैं टारगेट्स ये लेवल पे ड्राइव करूंगा बिकॉज फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट द मार्केट इज करेक्टेड. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, द रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड दैट आई एम ड्राइविंग फॉर इज 1:4.4. सो राउंड अबाउट में थोड़ा सा रिस्क भी अगर यहाँ पर स्ट्रेच कर लेता हूँ, आई एम ड्राइविंग फॉर द टारगेट ऑफ समवेयर अराउंड मिनिमम 1:4. ओके, दैट्स हाउ योर ट्रेड्स हैज टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन द मार्केट्स. यहाँ पर अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे विल आई गो बेरिश, at the moment market is not giving me any sign of bearishness, it's sideways to bullish. As I said, my bearish trades would come into existence or in the system when the market breaches दिस लेवल। तो यहां से अगर मार्केट ब्रेक कर देता है, विच इज द रिएक्टिव सपोर्ट विच मार्केट इज क्रिएटेड, अगर वो ब्रेक हो जाता है, देन आई कैन से दैट मार्केट हैज गॉट अ सपोर्ट लेवल ऑन 17,450 470 लेवल्स। बट अगर ये 17,600 का लेवल ब्रेक मार्केट नहीं कर रहा है, then I would be bullish in the markets. So do look at it from this perspective. This is where you need to be cautious and take trades accordingly. यहाँ पर सीधा ट्रेड में मार्केट ओपन होने के बाद जंप करना is not the right way. I'm again telling you, wait for market to come at good levels, sweet spots in the market wherein you get a beautiful risk to reward. Okay, यहाँ पर somebody who is looking out for positional trades also can take a good advantage. Intraday में भी आप play कर सकते हो, स्पेशली व्हेन योर रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड एक्सपोजर इज गुड। पर इंट्राडे में होगा क्या, अगर आप यहाँ पर ये लेवल्स पे बाइंग के लिए भी बैठोगे, मार्केट में एग्जिट यू आउट एट समवेयर अराउंड इन बिटवीन द रैली। तो पोजिशनल ट्रेड आप अगर कैरी नहीं कर रहे हो तो यू विल गेट एग्जिटेड समवेयर in between and you may not be able to capture the entire mid because market closes at around 315। तो वो टारगेट ड्राइव करने से पहले ही मार्केट आवर्स क्लोज हो सकते हैं, तो आपको ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी होगी। बट इफ यू आर गोइंग पोजिशनल, you can drive for this particular target. The target would be somewhere around 17,930 levels. Okay, if you are trying to go with an entry of somewhere around 17,800, 17,930 would be your targets. तो आप एक बहुत अच्छा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड ड्राइव कर रहे हो। सेकेंडली, इफ यू सी वाई एम आई गेटिंग कॉशियस हियर, आप यहां पर देख सकते हो दिस कैन बी लेवल ऑफ अ रेजिस्टेंस जोन बेसिकली। ओके, सो ये यहां पर एक रेजिस्टेंस जोन और अ रिएक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस जोन का काम कर सकता है, और यहां से मार्केट फिर से डाउनसाइड फॉल देने के चांसेस भी बहुत हाई हैं। तो वी विल ट्राई टू बी कॉशियस एंड बुक आवर ट्रेड्स एज सुन एज इट ट्राइज going in 70-75% of the resistance level trajectory. Okay, and once this trade is done, from here you can look out for resistance trade. But as the market is here, मैं resistance के लिए अभी तो play नहीं करूंगा. Once it is there, definitely I will tell you in the upcoming videos how to play that resistance level also. But अगर यहाँ पर फिर से एक gap up market दे रहा है, then this resistance level will again turn out into a reactive support, क्योंकि ये already breach हो चुका होगा. So we'll have to wait and see how the market moves, how the market opens in the upcoming sessions, and then place the trades accordingly. But directly jump करना saying that it is a resistance level is also not wise advices, क्योंकि अगर market ये levels पे open होता है, let's say market opens at this level, then this resistance level is already breached. Okay, so now it may act to be a support and give you a bounced move. तो हमें ये चीज ध्यान रखनी होगी. ओके, एंड दिस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द साइकोलॉजी, क्योंकि यू नीड टू चेंज योर माइंडसेट वंस समथिंग इज स्विच्ड. ओके, क्योंकि बहुत सारी बार ये होता है, अरे यार ये रेजिस्टेंस है, वी हैव टू स्टिक, मार्केट नहीं यहाँ से गिरेगा, एंड मार्केट बाउंसेस एंड मूव्स अगेंस्ट यू. Okay, so you need to be flexible into your analysis part. That's point number one. As of now, you would be looking for bullish trades in the market, or if somebody is selling options, he can sell puts with a good risk to reward, keeping in mind that particular point, and drive the momentum of the markets. That's point number one. If somebody is an option buyer, never buy in the मिडल ऑफ द रैली, ऑलवेज वेट फॉर डिप्स, सो दैट आप कम प्रीमियम जब रहेगा तब आप बाइंग करोगे, एंड यू वुड सेल ऑलवेज एट अ हायर प्रीमियम्स. नाउ कमिंग टू बैंक निफ्टी, इफ यू सी बैंक निफ्टी, इट्स ऑलरेडी इन अ बुलिश ट्रेंड एज वी नो. लेट्स ट्राई टू एनालाइज वेयर द ट्रेंड इज. अगर आप यहां से ट्रेंड ड्राइव करने के लिए देखोगे, इट्स अगेन इन द बुलिश ट्रेंड करेक्टिंग ऑन द डाउन साइड. तो क्या आप यहां पर एक एंट्री के लिए जाओगे या वुड यू वेट? दैट्स द मोस्ट क्रूशियल पार्ट यू नीड टू आस्क योरसेल्फ एज अ ट्रेडर. मैं जब यहां पर देख रहा हूं, आई नो दैट दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. ओके, लेट मी मार्क इट फॉर यू. दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस लेवल जो ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल ने सॉरी, ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल ने ब्रेक किया है. Once it is broken, has the market come back to test that level? Not yet. So can I say that once the market comes from this particular level on to the downside, there is a possible upside move, considering this particular sellers who are trapped will try to exit their positions? Definitely yes. एक रिवर्सल और बाउंस बैक मूव आपको देखने के लिए डेफिनेटली मिल सकता है. एंड एज इट इज एन अप ट्रेंड, this move would be strong because people who had shorted would cover like anything looking at the movement of gap ups in the market. Okay, so that's point number one. अगर आप एक ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए देखोगे, my level of trade for buying would be somewhere in the range of 39,900 odd levels, and my stop loss would be slightly below this particular candle, which is somewhere at 39,850 levels. टारगेट जो मैं ड्राइव करने के लिए जाऊंगा, that would be this particular resistance which market has currently created. So if you ask me, I'll try to go at buying on this level, okay, and drive for the targets at this levels. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड देखूंगा, which is for long positions, okay, as I said, my stop loss will be slightly below this level. The target that I will drive for is somewhere here, not exactly here, somewhere below also is fine with me. तो यहाँ पर मेरी एंट्री जो जाएगी सिस्टम में when it comes to Nifty, or you may trade options, you may trade futures, you may trade anything, the entry that I would look out for is always buying at dips in the uptrend, क्योंकि मुझे discounted prices पे trade करना है. So my entry would go at somewhere around 39,960 odd levels, okay, with a stop loss of 39,840. Okay, so if I say how my trade would be, my entry would be at 39,960 levels. Sorry, just a second. 39,960 levels. Okay, the most important part is my protective stop. Okay, my protective stop is going at somewhere around 39,840 levels. Okay, and I'm trying to drive for the target of somewhere around 40,600. This is how my trade would go. अगर मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड आप देखोगे, it is coming to somewhere around 1:6.87, which is really fabulous. Okay, even if you are able to capture somewhere around 1:4, 1:4.5 also, it makes a lot of sense, guys. Okay, market may give some bounce backs and move in sideways territory as well, and then may give up move, because हमें यहाँ पर we cannot predict how the fresh positions would be created. It may take 2 days, it may take 3 days, it may not even get created. इसीलिए हम लोग ये स्टॉप लॉस लेके मार्केट में काम कर रहे हैं. बट वी आर गोइंग विथ अ हाई प्रोबेबल लेवल फ्रॉम वेयर मार्केट कैन गिव अ मूव इन आवर फेवर. हम लोग कहीं पे भी let's say we are not looking out for entries here at the moment, because market has not given us signs of either upside move from there or downside move of there from there. That level has not played a crucial part. Okay, so basically हम लोग वहां से ही ट्रेड करना प्रीफर करेंगे जहां से एक मूव डेवलप हुआ है, so that the chances of us not losing money is very high. Chances of making money comes secondary, guys. Chances of not losing money has to be in our favor first. That's when we will start making money. Okay, so if you are taking any random trades till now, I would strictly suggest you as a friend not to do so, because that's where you will lose most of your trades. And it's not about losing money, it's about the consistency of losing trades that would automatically demotivate you and start making you feel negative, thinking कि यार मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा है, market is not respecting my analysis, how to do it. it's not because your analysis are going wrong, it's because you are entering at any random situations from where market has no proper direction or no proper intent. That's why you get caught up most of the times in sideways market or against the market. So basically when it is coming down, I'm waiting for a discounted price and trying to capture a rally in the market. So this is how you have to play in the market. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, this is a small resistance that the market has created. But what are the chances of market going in the upward trajectory? It's pretty high because अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, let me just hide this. Always try to diagnose the market from its history. Okay, जैसे कि हम लोग in case if we go to doctor with some things that we are not well with, डॉक्टर हमेशा हमारी हिस्ट्री पूछता है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑन दैट बेसिस ही कैन गेट सम आइडिया अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आवर बॉडी एंड इट्स बिहेवियर. तो अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी का बिहेवियर देखोगे, इट्स नॉट हियर. इफ यू सी it's in the past, pretty long back. Okay, let me just go. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, somewhere in 2021, which is in last year, Nifty had created some kind of selling levels from this particular range. Okay, which is, okay, just a second guys, let me shift this for you, which is from 41,080 to 41,300. तो ये रेंज मार्केट फिर से रिस्पेक्ट करने के चांसेस बहुत हाई है बिकॉज देयर वुड बी पेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स विच आर एक्टिव. People who knows technical analysis or support and resistance level would be looking for selling. Somebody who is trading demand and supply levels would be looking for selling, considering that the previous action has shown some fall, and the fall is not small guys. If you see here, the fall is really huge. Okay, so and if you see where the market currently is, it's pretty far from here, but see, I cannot even zoom out, so I've just marked the levels and I'm going to the current market. So these levels are yet to be tested, which has got very high chance because sellers would be keen on selling at those levels. Okay, so you need to be cautious. Bank Nifty at the moment may bounce at a dip and go strongly on the upside, but this level has got very high chance of playing as a resistance level. तो मैं यहाँ पर फिर से एक cautious trade लूंगा because once my profit is booked, I know that I am out of the trade. The next trade that is going to start will be a fresh trade. तो मेरे साथ फायर फाइटिंग के चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. And at this levels, definitely when the prices moves in that level, I will be definitely coming up with the video much more in advance so that you can plan to take the trades there as well. But the only thing that you need to do is you need to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications first. So that's it for this particular video. All the best for your trading. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट्स रहेगा विद दिस रिगार्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो और यू नीड एनी न्यू इनसाइट्स अबाउट any stocks, you can definitely post it in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to reply on to that, especially any of my friends who are willing to look out for any investment opportunities in the market. I'll be coming up with the series on the investments as well, जहाँ पर मैं डिस्कस करूँगा about small penny stocks which may have potential multi-bagger qualities in it. Okay, and it would be entirely with logic. In case if you have to buy, why you have to buy, in case you have to exit, at what levels you have to exit, and where your stop losses will be, because I always work with capital protection. I never go with 100% all in the markets. It's going to be in investments the risk would be maximum 5 to 7% in a particular trade, because agar mere analysis wrong hote hain, that's what I'm losing. But if my analysis are right, we'll be betting on the winning horse more and more and more. That's how we scale up on the winning horses. Okay, and your risk would be just 5 to 7%, but returns would be much more higher because as and when the market moves in your favor, you would be adding the quantities in that. How to do it will be discussed in those videos as and when the market moves accordingly. Okay, so stay tuned for that sessions as well, and I hope you will have a productive trading as well as investments in the market. All the best. Thank you. Keep watching Green Trades and see you in the next upcoming sessions.